How to fix file not supported on CapCut. If you're encountering a file not supported error on CapCut, here's how to fix it. First of all, you want to check your video format. For that, open up your gallery. Now open the video where you're facing this problem, then tap on the three dots, then select details. Now from here you want to check the video format. CapCut supports formats like MP4 and MOV. If your file is in a different format, it may not work. So you need to convert your video. For that, you simply want to download a video converter. Head over to Play Store or App Store, tap on the search bar. Here you want to search video converter. Now you will find different options over here. Simply select whichever you prefer and then tap on the install option. Now upload your video over here and then convert it into MP4 or MOV. Once it has been converted, you want to launch open CapCut. Now tap on create a new project. Here you want to select the converted video and then tap on the add option. Now your video will be ready to edit without any errors. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.